now that you know the basic functionalities of LearnBook, let's look at how you interact with the activities that your teacher is giving you. So let's take an example in lesson 1. I go into my lesson and I look at what the teacher has asked me to do. So here, the teacher has asked some questions. Do you think David introduces himself well? What things could he improve? So I must watch the video.
So David, tell me a little bit.
And when I finish watching the video, I can make a reply to the teacher's message by clicking on the reply button. This will open the message editor, which you can see here. The message editor is used for composing messages with text, but also for putting in your video recordings, YouTube videos, audio recordings, images, anything you want can go into the message editor. So I can say something like, here is my answer, and perhaps I want to give my answer via video. I click on the plus button at the side. That's to add something to your message. I get a menu with the different things that I can add to a message, a video that I record or that I use from YouTube or another website, an audio recording, a link from the internet, a file that I upload. So if you have a PDF or a Word document that you want to upload, you can upload that. A table if you want to put in vocabulary, an image, or a video call if you wish to speak to your teacher face-to-face. You can organize to have a video call, just like Skype, but within the message that you create. So I want to create a video to answer this question. So the window opens with the video recorder. You can see the videos that you've already recorded in the past. And you can record a new video here. Just click on the record button. You might get a box at the top that says, do you want to allow the webcam access? You click yes. And then you should see yourself as you can see me in the video. Click on the red button when you're ready to start. The timer will count down. And that means the video has started. So now I'm recording. When I'm finished recording, I can just click stop. It may take a minute for the video to appear. It's being processed. When the video has appeared, then you can click on the plus button to add it to your video, to your message. So there it is, my video. Now I can click the tick, save message at the side. Though my message is automatically saved every 10 seconds to be sure that you don't lose your work if you click a wrong button. The work is already saved here, but just to be safe, I click on save message. The window will disappear. And now I have my message. If you want to delete a message, if you've made a mistake, you can edit any message that you've created by clicking on the edit button that's next to your message. So here I click on edit. And if I want to delete, I click on the options for that message, which is here, the gear symbol. And I click on delete message. I'll get a warning that tells me I must click again to delete, so that you can't delete by accident. I have to click twice. So delete, I click, and then again I click, and the message will disappear. So that's how we make messages with video. It's the same with audio or with images. We can add different things to the message. We can add as many messages as we want in comments, or we can add a new message to a section that will add a message at the top level like this. That if you want to communicate with your trainer and ask them a question, or you want to share something, you can also make a new message, and then the trainer can reply in comments under your message. So that's how we make messages in LearnBook.